Hi, if you're watching this video, you are probably wondering how you can copy and paste affiliate links, and is it possible to make money with affiliate marketing, especially CLICKBANK, promoting different products without having a website. Now, in this video, I'm going to show exactly live proof so you can see how different methods of CLICKBANK affiliate marketing can work for you. In this case, I have not used any ads, so I have not used any YouTube, Google or Facebook ads. In this example, we have used buyers traffic. So as you can see here on my screen, we have had 40 clicks, basically 40 initial order form impressions. This means that 40 people came to my page on my affiliate link and they click on it. From those 40 people, as you can see, I had 3 sales. So initial sales amount, you see, it's $1,313. Now, how is this possible? How you can make money without having a website and with buyers traffic, which could be called also solo ads? Now, as you know, there are many different providers, but what is really important is that it's niched down. You have many different audiences. You see, you have solution-aware audiences, you have product-aware audiences, unaware audiences, right? And if you're getting clicks from unaware audiences, from people who are not aware of the problem, pains, right? And who are not actively, listen to this, actively looking for a solution right now and taking action, then you're wasting your time and money. So what is really important is that you have a traffic which is actively looking for the solution in the marketplace. For example, make money online niche, lose weight, diabetes, right? They're actively looking for a solution every single day. They came on your affiliate link, they purchase from you, vendor gets their 10% and you get, for example, 90 or 75% affiliate commissions on CLICKBANK. So how you can get started today, how you can generate these kind of results? One of the best ways, and I'm going to show you right now, is over here. So do the marketing math. How to do the marketing math? Here we have packages. So we have traffic, right? This traffic is from people who are living in UK, Ireland, USA, Canada, and Australia, and also New Zealand, right? The age of average age of the customer who purchased is, of course, 30 years plus, usually over 35. So 35 to 65 years old, living in those top 5 tier countries. So let me show you over here. You have 3 options. You have options for 200 buyers clicks. In my example, I have had this one, 370 buyers clicks. Now, investment for this is around $500, $497, right? And out of this, I had, as you can see before, 3 sales. So I made $1,300, and let me do the math for you. What was the overall profit? So I made let's say $300 profit. Now, from the commissions, right? Now I invested $497. So minus $497 is $803. So $803 profit for me from purchasing buyers clicks. So if you're looking for a way, no hassle way, the fast way to start generating those affiliate commissions on CLICKBANK, then you can get started as soon as today. So what you can do after watching this video, you can decide which package you want to choose, right? Of course, each package, also the middle package for $497, gives you also VIP email, the email that also converts from me. It's really important to have the right message to market match, right? When you have the audiences who is already looking actively for the solution in the marketplace, then of course you're going to generate more sales, more commissions. And of course there is nothing without risk. You have to take some kind of form of risk, otherwise you will never succeed, right? You have to get started. You have to take action now. So by now you can understand that it's really, really important to take action. So how to get started? You can connect with me. The links below this video to my email, social media accounts, where you can reach out to me, you can ask me different questions, and if you want to get started and purchase your buyer's traffic and get it sent to your affiliate link, you can also ask for a digital marketing agency. So how to get started? Copy and paste your affiliate link. I suggested to set up with a high ticket affiliate offer on ClickBank, and I'm going to privately tell you which offer is the best to choose. It is paying at least $400 per sale, and then also purchase your traffic package, and at the end collect your affiliate commissions, and rinse and repeat. So this is how it's done. Now I hope you understand the concept, and by now you should also realize that it's really important to pick an offer in the niche where people are already active looking for the solution and also spending money every single day. So I really thank you for watching this video. Please, before you leave, subscribe to my channel so I can share more helpful tips like this one with you. And if you want to get started, don't forget, below this video you can connect with me, and then we can get you up and running really fast. So again, thank you for watching this video.